Hello, I'm Steve Des from DezperateActor.com with another video to give you lessons on how you can become an actor in 2022 and beyond. So here we're going to talk about what skills are needed for you to become an actor. So the first skill I want to talk about is technique. You need some acting technique. If you don't have acting technique, it's going to be tough for you. So make sure you have either on-camera technique or acting technique training with you. I can't provide those for you, but there's plenty of resources nearby your area, more than likely. So research, because Google is one of your friends, or you can watch other YouTube videos, but I highly recommend that you take technique classes because that's the way you can improve your acting further. That then when you're actually in the room trying to get a role, it will be easier for you to get booked. The other skill that's very highly important is improv. I can't emphasize how improv is so important because as an actor, you're only given a certain amount of lines. But once you understand the concept of improv, you can see that within that box they're trying to place you in, there's room for play. There's room for adding your special flavor, whether it is things that are not necessarily verbal that you do with body language, or there's little lines or little things that you can put into the dialogue in order to spice it up a little bit, to make yourself look way more memorable. Another way that you can improve your skills dramatically when it comes to this is with languages. Languages and dialects. So if you know multiple language, that's a huge plus. If you're bilingual, if you're trilingual, if you know 5-10 languages, it makes you stand out because it means that you can apply for way more roles that the typical person that only knows English cannot apply. And dialects are huge because it puts you in different types of roles and commercials that you can be part of, because for example there's some commercials that are very regional, and if you know how to do that specific regional accent, you can possibly book that even further. Or if you have a specific character that demands a specific type of dialect, it's more easier for you to get booked for that role because you already have this type of training. So it's very important that you have this in order for you to book even more. And last but not least will be special skills. Whatever makes you special, bring it to the table. If you play an instrument, if you know how to do acrobatics, if you've done sports in the past, whatever it is that makes you special, highlight those things in your resume. Highlight those things when you're going to specific roles that require this specific special skills. For example, throughout my entire acting journey, I've seen from the moment I started my journey up to now and beyond that skateboarding is a huge in-demand skill. So if you have that specific skill, you don't even know how many times you can literally book roles just because you know how to skateboard. As easy as that. So if you have a lot of talent, a lot of special skills that you've been hiding inside, put them out there. Because I promise you, it will get you faster to those roles that are meant for you. Anywho, if you're interested in what we got to offer at The Dezperate Actor, where we have programs designed to help you market yourself better and get the proper representation to get you connected and get you working in the Hollywood industry and entertainment industry as a whole, check out our Dezperate Actor course. We have the Cracking the Hollywood Code that's very beginner friendly, and we have the 2.8 Supercharged edition. Check it out at DesperateActor.com. This has been Steve Des for Dezperate Actor, the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.